Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let's talk about the loaders as well as the top loader spinners. So we have created this website, so where the particular data loads from the API keys and can render from one particular page to another particular page according to the category. So now what we want here is whenever the particular time text, you can see if I click on to the health, little at least once again 20-30 milliseconds of time is going to take over there. So we can just provide a loader over there, like it should rotate like that and all those things. And you can see if I just go back to my YouTube channel, you can see one red color spinner has been going here. So you can see if I just click on the JavaScript, so you can see the Python, so it is not going. If I just click on the home, you can see one red color spinner is going to go. If I just click on the explode, you can see one red color has been going like this. Okay, so that all thing we can just provide it. So we'll see how we can just use that one. So that we call it as a top loader spinner. Okay, so the top loader spinner we are going to call it one. If I just click here, top loader spinner, top loader spinner. So if I just say top loader spinner, if I just click on the all, so you can see top loader spinner. Okay, it is just showing the washing machine. So fine, we'll click onto the GIF file. We'll see. First, what I'll do here, I'll just create one component here. So the component name I'm going to keep here is the spinner.js file. I'll just say I'll just click I'll just give it as a spinner.javascript file. So spinner.js. Okay, so spinner.js file. So I'll just tell or cc, so React class based component. So it will just give me the particular spinner over here. So the spinner, what I want here is I need to have one particular spinner over there. So that is not like much more thing. So I'll just create one spinner. I'll just tell div.container. Okay, so I want a div.container, and it should be one margin should be 4 from all the side. So here I need to just put the spinner. So let's come back to the side. I'll just tell here as a spinner GIF. I want the GIF of the spinner. Okay, so anything whichever you like, you can just use it. So we have a number of sites, so I'll just tell the spinner GIF. So I want something spinner GIF. So if I just click on to this loading.io website, so let's see. So it is a website, so where they are giving any spinner for us. Yeah, they are giving. So here a number of spinners are there. So I was using the something like it was loading. So this is a one website. So I'll just give you one example. If you want to add the spinner, you can just download the particular GIF of it. So in the WhatsApp, people will be sending GIF, right? So same GIF, you will be having this kind of GIFs, you can see. So now what I want, whichever you like, you can just download it. So suppose I want this one. I'll just click on the embedded. You can just directly provide the source also, but I'll just copy this frame. So I'll just copy this code. Whenever this loads, I want to just display this one. Okay, so I want it will be just displaying. I'll just remove this paragraph tag. Okay, so okay, I am just added the spinner over here. So just I am directly loading from the website, from this particular site, or else you can at the place of the source, whatever the picture you have, whatever the GIF you have, you can just add like directly. Okay, I'll just do like this. I'll just save like this. So once I have been saved, so I have been added the spinner now. So now I want to load this spinner. Whenever I want to load this spinner, so whenever the news is going to pop up, I want to just load this spinner. So I want to just load this spinner, right? So very easy. It is not much thing. So I'll just provide one thing that is loading. I'll just provide one particular constructor to it. So first I'll say where is it in the news? I'll just provide the loading is equal to false here. So here I want to add one thing. I'll just provide loading. Loading, I'll just make it to FLSC false. So I'll just provide the loading is equal to false. So when I want to do means whenever the state is set, I want to just make this loading is equal to true. So whenever all the data has been coming, so it means whenever all the data has been set. So whenever after the set state, when all the total results is going to fetch, whenever the total results or whatever the total results is going to fetch, after this one I want to just set the particular thing to true. So everything I need to just make it to true, and along with this I want to set one state here. So where means here, so after the thing here, after this one, so whatever the this dot page size I am just setting, right? So whatever the page side this was set. Okay, once again. Okay, Okay, so I want to just set one thing. Whenever at the time of loading the particular data, after the data has been loaded in the API case, before fetching the URL, I want to just set one particular state. I'll just tell this dot set state. I want to just set the particular state over here. So I want to just set the particular state. So this particular state I want to just set it as true over here. So this one I'll just set it as true. So I'll just tell whatever the loading is there, make it as true. Okay, so this is for the I'm just setting this particular true over here. So basically I need to give like this basically right now. So let's comment out this. We will use it for the preloading things. Okay, so let's comment out this one right now. We'll just display the particular here inside my app.js file. So here is the app.js file. So where I want to let the particular loader means whenever the particular whenever the routes is going to take place, at that time I want to just display the particular spinner. So I'll just go back to my app.js file. Wherever you want to display the particular spinner, so whatever the spinner is been there, you can just display the particular spinner over there. So where I can display here is so I'm just checking where I can just display the particular spinner means I have the news, right? So wherever the news is there, so I want to I need to just call the particular spinner over here. So where I want to just call the spinner before the particular things. So what I'll do in my news.js, in the news.js file where my component is loading, here it is the component is been loading, right? So before the news, before the line news, I want to just provide the spinner. So I'll just tell spinner spinner, spinner, yeah, spinner. So it is not taking. So let me, if I just tell like this, so it is not taking the spinner. So it is not just taking me the spinner. So I'll just tell spinner. So it is not giving me this particular component. I'll just enter. I'll just say spinner. I want to just load it. I'll just remove this much. I'll just like this spinner. Okay. So here I need to just load the spinner from where. So here I need to just load the spinner. So spinner from where I need to just load from the spinner. That's all. I'll just save this particular file. Once I've been saved, it has been done. Now see, if I just come back, now if I see, I'm getting a spinner over here. So you can see it is and I'm getting a spinner. So basically it is saved. Yeah, it has been saved. Coming back to the spinner.js file. So I have been saved this file. Yeah, it has been saved. But I want to, whenever the loading is false, that time I want to just load this much, right? So it is just, see, if I just click onto the business, if I just click onto the news, it is keep on, it has been visible to me. I don't want like this, it should get visible always. So we need to just set. So what I need to set here is, I have been set the particular state, right? So where in my app.js file, I have been, so not in the app, in the news.js file, I have set the particular loading over here. So I have said here, not in the app. So where is it? Is it here itself? Yeah, we have been set the loading is equal to false. So I want to display the particular spinner when the loading is true. If it is false, I don't want to display it. So that is why I was just writing before. So now I am just going to tell you right now that the particular code. So I am in setting the particular state. So what I am saying here is, once all the data has been coming, at that time I want to make loading is equal to true. At that time my spinner should rotate. Once all the data has been came, I want to just set the particular loading is to false. Whatever the loading is there, I want to just make it to false. F-A-L-S-E, false. That's all I need to do it. So that's all I need to do everywhere. So let's copy here, and even here I'll just paste it, and even here after all the data has been loaded, I'll just set I'll just put the comma. I'll just tell loading is equal to F-A-L-S-E, false. Same way I need to just do it here also. When before getting the data, so once the at a time of data, when I'm getting the data, I want to make the loading is equal to true. So after data has been came, I want to just set the particular loading to F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, that's it. That is the logic. Now once it has been done, I want to just, when I'm rendering the data, so where I am rendering in my news, so where is the news is here, right? So here I am just added where I have added the spinner here. So here I'll just add one particular condition. So what is the condition I am going to add here is, when my data is loading, when the state is true and spinner is there, then only it should work. Then only this particular thing should work. I will put everything inside in my square array. What I'll say here is, I'll say when my this dot state dot loading, and my loading is true and the spinner is there, and at that time I want to just display this particular spinner. That is my logic over here. So I'll just save all right now. So once I save, now you can see if I come here, I'm getting here an error. Okay, and I'm just setting somewhere true, false, false, true, Okay, I need to remove this semicolon. I'll just save it. So somewhere else I have been added. So here also I need to remove, even I want to remove the true over here and somewhere else and here I want to just remove it here. Okay, I'll just save it. So once I save, so you can see my data has been, you can see now. Oh, okay, now it is been gone. You can see if I just click onto the general, so you can see I am getting the particular logo over here. I want to get these things inside the center. So I'll just say I want to have width of 150 size and height of 200, and I want this to come inside the div container. So I want this should come inside the container. I'll just cut it. I want to div dot text center. Okay, so I want to have this thing inside the center. I'll just save it. So once I save, now you can see if I just click on to the daily one, you can see I'm getting a particular spinner over here. You can see I'm getting a loading over here. So the particular thing has been coming over here. So that means all the things is working fine. So this is how we can just set the particular loader. So now I want to have a top loading bar now. So I'll in that particular top loading bar, I'll just create in the next video. So now here let's fix a few of the things over here. So I want to change the particular content of it. So that order title is there, I want to just display only the few of the title over here. So for the particular displaying only little bit title of thing, so what I'll do here is I want to just I want to add the span tag also, like what all that span tag is there, I want to add even that too. So let's come back to my new span over here. So here we are loading the particular source also, right? So we are loading the particular source also. So here I want to display the particular source of it. So in the what I am doing here is whatever the I'll add one particular span tag over here. So I'll just show you. I'll just directly, I don't want to write the entire code. So what I'll explain you the code what I have been typing over here. So now what I'll do here is I'll just type the particular code. I'll just add one particular span tag. So where I am going to add the particular span tag here is in the card body. So I'll just add here the particular span tag. So what is the span tag I have been added? You can see this is the span tag I have been added. What is the span tag? This is the span tag. The span tag I have been given the road pay and dash dark, and style I'm just making as a flex and the flex add, and absolute this CSS I have been added. Just I whatever the source is there, I'm just providing the source over here. I'll just save it. So once I provide the source, you can see I'm getting in the yellow color over here. All the content I'm getting over in the source code. Okay, so this way all it is your choice. Now if I just want to make the background is equal to red, I can just make red also. So not the red, success. This is success. Okay, not success, warning, danger. Okay, danger is the color, background color should be there. So you can see now it has been coming in the red color. Okay, so then the text should be what? Light text should be there. Okay, so you can see I'm getting in the red color margin over here. Now if I just click on to the Indian news, you can see it is looking some amazing. So same way I want to change the particular title also. So what I want to do here, whatever the title is there, I want to just split it everything over here. I want to just tell split split function. I want to just use the split function. So I want to just display the particular 50 characters or 100 characters. So I want to just tell I want to just display the 50 character. You can see only the 50 characters been coming. So rest of the title should be given like dot 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 something like this. Okay, 3 dots I'm just putting like this. So you can see all the things has been coming like this. So next same way I want to do it for the description. For the description, what I need to do, I want to just check one condition, if my description is there or not. So first I'll just check if my description is present. If the description, I am using a ternary operator here. If the description is present, just display the description. Okay, just provide a description. So if the description is there, I want to just split the description. I want to display around 200 characters. Okay, I want to just display around 200 character. If my description is not there, just provide nothing, nothing, nothing. That's it. I want to just display in this manner. Now you can see only the thing I'm just getting, only the 15 character I'm getting over here. And here you can see one more date I'm getting by some is there and something is not there over here. So same way, if my author is present, I want to just provide the author. I'll just tell if the author is there, just display the UTH or author. If not, display anonymous. I'll just say anonymous. Okay, something anonymous. I'll just display like this. Okay, same way. So whatever the date is there, I'll just convert the date into another manner. So here I'll just change the color to dark color. So whatever the read more button is there, I want to just make it as dark, and I want to net the particular BTN small color. I want to just tell BTN SM. I want to have a BTN small, and the particular color should be red color. You can see there anonymous has been coming, and whatever the date has been there. So even for the date, I want to just display in another manner. I'll say what is I am just saying in my date here is I'll just say in this, I'll just create one new variable here. I'll just create the particular new. So I'll just tell new date. So new date. So whatever the date is there, I'll just pass the particular date of it in whatever the date I am having. So this I am just converting to the local string, to local date string. Okay, to local date time string I'll use. Okay, so it should display in this manner. So I'll just using this one. Okay, it should display in this manner. Again, same way, I can just do like this, right? So if I just save it, so you can see I'm getting 6:30 and I'm just getting the particular time of it. So I'm just getting the particular time. Same, I want to display the another thing I want to display. I'll just copy the same thing. I'll just copy same thing and I'll just say here like this, and here I'll just say I want to display empty like this. Then I want to just give one space. Then I want to just say the same thing. I want to just say in this particular fashion. That is, I want to just put it again inside the curly braces. Okay, so it is not like you should not use. So here at time, here I need to just tell to date. So here I'll just tell to local date string. That's it. I'll just save it. Now if I just save it, you can see I'm getting Tuesday, March, and the time is been published at. So at this time it is been published. Okay, so now you can see it is looking little bit quite good now. So I am getting the particular title as well as thing, and all the things has been solved, and I am seeing the particular date time as well as in the particular manner. So this is how we can just do it the particular thing. So again, I want to just set up the few of the CSS in the app.css. I'll you can see this is a thing which has been given by the particular this one. I'll just remove everything from here. So in the app.css, I'll provide a few of my own fonts. So what I'll do here is I'll just go back to the Google Fonts. I want to have a Google Fonts over here. I'll just go to the Google Fonts. In my Google Fonts, I'll just browse the Google Fonts. I want to select any of the Google Fonts here, so which is amazing to me. So if I just see Smooth Sans we have, and we have this much, and we have like this, the almost we have I have this kind of font also. Let me see whichever I like. I'll just use that particular font. So here I'll just see I'll just use the font size of I can use any of the font size, right? So I'll use the Ballu Bhai over here. We have the Ballu Bhai, or else I can just use this also. So whichever you like, you can just use it. So I'll just search for the Ballu Bhai over here. So BALLU, Ballu Bhai. Ballu Bhaijan. So can see Ballu Bhaijan we have. So I can just use the Ballu Bhaijan, Ballu Tummy, Ballu Bhabi, all we have. So I'll use the Ballu Bhaijan over here. So here we have the import statement. So you can just import this particular thing inside, or else you can just, they will be providing me the syntax also. I'll just import this particular CSS style. So I'll just import this CSS style. I'll come back and I'll just paste it the particular CSS of it, and I'll be I want to give two of the changes. I'll just type everything right now. So you can see I have been given the paragraph file, I have been given the particular paragraph tags, and I have given the h5 tags. So the particular font family, font size, letter spacing, h1 tags, navbar I have been set, and bg warnings colors I have been set. So this time I'm just using a dark red. So wherever the dark, I'll just choose this particular background color, and anchor tag I have been using nav link color, and navlink band hover. So these are all the CSS. So I have been provided few of the CSS, you guys know. So if I just come back to the site, so you can see, oh, the CSS is not applied. Why, bro? Why? So the CSS has been not applied. App.css, right? Where I have been added. That is app.css, perfect, right? So the CSS has been not applied. Why it has been not applied? We'll just come back here. I'll just press Ctrl+Shift+R. Okay. If I just right click and inspect it over here. So if I just inspect the right click, and if I just try to open inside my mobile view. So where is the mobile view is here. Okay, so I want to just display in this manner, and I want to display like this. Okay, so here I'll just set it for the iPad like this or something. So if I just select the particular component of it, so here did it applied or not? Yeah, it is been applied. If I just see the background color dark, so the color has been not applied. If I just see for the this one, if I just see h5 cart title has been applied, so I can see the particular tag has been not applied for here. So if I just see here h5, everything is there. I don't know why. Fonts Ballu Bhai, this is formally okay. So let's copy this import. So let me try this import. So Ballu Bhai +2, and let's importing this one. If I come back, what I need to do here is I'll just come back, and if I refresh it, okay, so it is been not displaying. Why it is not displaying? Let me check. I have been added in the index.css or app.css. All the thing has been given, but I don't know why it has been not displaying it. So coming back to the concept, I'll just say once again all the stuff, and navbar has been there where we have been used the if I just go back to the navbar, here we are using a navbar. Okay, so basically I need to just give the particular IDs like that. So because ID is this navbar is not going to take, so I'll just give the particular ID. So if you have the CSS, if it's strong, it is not going to work. I'll just tell here BG, so I can just tell it is a BG dark I have given, right? So ID I will just give it as a BG dark. I'll just save it. So if I just save it, so if I this is working, okay, not working. So BG dark I have been given, so ID I have been given as a BG dark, and I need to remove this particular BG, two things I'll just remove from here. So navbar dark as well as a BG dark, I'll just keep it as a navbar. I'll just give it like this, and I'll just give the padding to 2 over here. Now BG dark should work. If I just come back now, so you can see it is not working still. Right now it is not working. So ID is equal to BG dark I have been given. If I just come back to the app.css file, BG dark where I have been, BG dark has been there. We have been set the background color, everything has been set. Even though it is not going to, it is not giving me. If I just go back to the index.js file, sorry, index.css file, if I just say Control Z, no, it is not working. I don't know why the CSS is not working it. Coming back to the one more, that is a index.js file. So in the index.js file we have been loaded all those things. We have been added the bootstrap, but I don't know why it is not giving it. And one more thing what I'll do here is the index.html file, in the index.html file let me add the particular bootstrap part over there. So why it should work, it should work. I don't know why it is not working. We'll just see later. So in the next video let's try it. So I'll just keep the same as it is over here. So BG dark only I'll just keep it, and I'll just save the file. Coming back here, all the things is working fine, but only one thing we need to do here is we need to add the top load spinner that we will be doing inside the next video. So thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. You can see all the particular perfect is just working here. So next is working, and science is working, everything other particular spinner has been working. So whichever you like the spinner, you can just keep it according to your wise, okay, according to your wish. So next, coming back to the another thing, that's will be seeing how to add the top load spinner inside my React.js. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.